Breathing can stimulate the correct brain centers to increase concentration and creativity. You can experience this unlimited benefits. Come, let me show you how. Hi, I'm Al from yogagangia.co.za, and you are at the right place if you want to heal your body and mind with yoga. Now, hit the red subscribe button and you will be notified as soon as I upload any new videos. And don't forget to catch the tip of the day at the end of this video. Today, I'm going to show you square breathing and the benefits and who should take caution or not do it at all. Now, first of all, you need to know what is pranayama or have a basic idea. If you don't, please see the link below in the description box for the video on pranayama, or you can find the link up here. And we're going to start off with awareness of the natural breath. If you don't have any experience of the natural breath, please do see that video as well in the description box below, or you can find it up here. What is square breathing? It is as follows. You inhale for a count, you hold the breath in for that same count, you exhale for that same count, and you hold the breath out for that same count. That is one round of square breathing. For example, you breathe in, 1, 2, hold, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, hold, 1, 2. So the 4 steps are equal in duration. That the name comes from. It forms 4 sides that is equal, which is a square. Square breathing. Before we start practicing, who should take caution? If you are in your last trimester of pregnancy, stay away. If you have a heart condition, no. And if you have high blood pressure or any blood pressure problems that is out of control, do not do this square breathing. When your blood pressure is under control with medication or something else, then you can go ahead and do square breathing. And anyone with emphysema should not do the following breathing technique. And again, you should be familiar with awareness of natural breath and abdominal breathing. You must practice those breathing techniques before you continue with this. What are the benefits of practicing square breathing? It activates certain brain centers, which stimulates concentration and creativity. For this, you need to practice square breathing regularly. And it decreases stress and anxiety. And during square breathing, you introduce a lot of oxygen into the bloodstream, which help to stimulate your immune system and detoxification of the body. Again, it is important that you are familiar with the beginner's breathing techniques before you continue with this video. Find the video for abdominal breathing up here, or you can find it down below in the description box. Now, although square breathing is very easy, you should not force your breath and your breath should not be loud. Let's start with square breathing. Sit comfortably on a chair or on the floor with your spine erect but relaxed. You can close the eyes or not, whatever you prefer. And we're going to start by closing the eyes softly. I want you to focus on relaxing the muscles around your eyes, your jaw, your neck. Relax the shoulders and the arms and the whole body. Take a deep breath in through the nostrils and sigh it out through the mouth. Become aware of the natural breath. Do not interfere, just observe the natural breath. Bring your awareness to the navel area for abdominal breathing. Your next inhalation, start with abdominal breathing. Do not change the breath, just observe the navel rising and the navel falling. Now I want you to inhale on a count. For example, inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3. Continue inhaling and exhaling on the same count with abdominal breathing. All your awareness is on your breath. Now we're going to start with square breathing. On an inhalation, you're going to continue with your count. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath in 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3. Hold the out 1, 2, 3. Continue with this count on square breathing. All the breathing takes place through the nostrils. The mouth stays closed. Remember to relax the face and jaw and focus on the navel area and your count. If the count is too strong for you and you feel like you're getting out of breath, change your count. For example, if you are counting to 3, change it to 2. For example, inhale 1, 2. Hold 1, 2. Exhale 1, 2. Hold 1, 2. Continue. Do not strain. Those who are comfortable with a 3 count can increase their count to 4 count. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue. All your awareness on your breathing and counting. On your next exhalation, you're going to leave the square breathing and you're only going to become aware of your natural breath. The natural breath. Become aware and observe your natural breath. See if you can find or feel a difference in the natural breath before the square breathing and after the square breathing. Now, become aware of the room that you are in. Become aware of your body sitting on the floor or on the chair. Become aware of your body sitting. And slowly open your eyes. Regular practice of square breathing will bring physical and mental benefits into your life. You can start off with practicing square breathing 5 rounds. A round is from the inhalation all the way to the exhalation. That is 1 round. So you can start off with 5 rounds and maybe increase it to 10 rounds and so on until you feel comfortable with it, and depends on how much time you have as well. And square breathing can be combined with other breathing techniques, but more of that in another video. Tip of the day: how to incorporate pranayama in your daily life. Well, what I do is early in the morning, as I wake up, I do pranayama breathing, any breathing technique that you prefer. And then I know it is done. And if the day runs away with me, I don't have to worry about it. And some breathing techniques, like awareness of the natural breath, you can do anywhere. The whole day, anywhere. Awareness of the natural breath. Now, you know how to do square breathing. Was it easy to learn? Did you have any sensations afterwards? Let me know in the comment section below. How was your experience? And hit the like button if this video helped you to understand square breathing. Thank you for watching. Ariom Tat Sat.